it's me, Jade. Today we're going to be learning double buffaloes. Here we go. Tap dance today. Okay, let me break that down for you. If you haven't already learned how to do a single buffalo, go back and watch it in this video here. Today, I'm going to be teaching you how to do a double buffalo, which is the same as a normal buffalo, but instead of just springing onto your foot at the beginning, spring, shuffle, flick, you're going to do a tap, spring, shuffle, flick. Okay? That's literally the only difference. So if you haven't learned a buffalo yet, go and learn it first, then come back here for the double version. So you start with your right leg, you do a tap, spring. Tap, spring. Then you do your shuffle out diagonally. Shuffle. Then you step back onto this leg and your right leg flicks across in front. Flip. One more time. Tap, spring, shuffle, flick. Tap, spring, shuffle, flick. Tap, spring, shuffle, flick. Tap, spring, shuffle, flick. Okay, great. The arms are exactly the same as the normal buffalo as well. So they start on the right side, if you start on your right leg, and they go across like this. Okay, so let's add them. Ready, go. Tap, spring, shuffle, flick. Tap, spring, shuffle, flick. Tap, spring, shuffle, flick. Tap, spring, shuffle, flick. And I already started doing a little bit then. Let's add some movement and go across the other side of the room. 5, 6, 7, 8. On the left side. Okay, so you start with your left foot with a tap, spring, shuffle diagonally, shuffle, step back onto this leg, and this leg flips in front. Okay, let's try that again. Ready, go. Tap, spring, shuffle, flick, tap, spring, shuffle, flick, tap, spring, shuffle, flick, tap, spring, shuffle, flick. Good. Now let's add the arms. Starting on your left leg means arms start on the left side too. Tap, spring, shuffle, flick, tap, spring, shuffle, flick, tap, spring, shuffle, flick, tap, spring, shuffle, flick. Again, when we're doing the tap spring, you need to stay on your toe at that beginning point, okay? Don't put your heels down. Now let's go across the room doing it. 5, 6, 7, 8. It's as simple as a double buffalo. See you in the next lesson.